Pete, good shopping here at the Melbourne Premier Yearling Sales, I believe. Lot 300, we've secured a colt, 3 fillies before this, but now we've got a colt down pat, and gee, looks a nice horse. Astern's obviously doing a great job as a stallion, and this bloke here looks a real fair dinkum colt.
Yeah, no, he's a beautiful colt. Lovely big action about him, well grown, well furnished. Just looks like a real classic sprinting miling type. Astern, he's doing a hell of a job at the moment. He's got Half Cabin and Golden Mile, 2 of the best 3-year-olds in the country going around. And I thought this bloke was good value. We had to see off some of Australia's biggest stables to secure this bloke. So just a real nice horse. Flinders Park Stud, where he's raised down on the Mornington Peninsula there. They had a wonderful draft of horses here this year. Probably as good a draft as I've seen on the ground. I'm really pleased to secure this bloke for us out of this team. So young Sepoy mare, good stakes winning family behind it. Second dam's stakes performed European Red Ransom mare. Terrific bloodlines, but more than anything, a bloody nice colt. Really looking forward to him. I haven't had an Astern in the stables, but if it looks for anything, this bugger will run all day.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So get on board. Shares available in him, and look, very nice colt. So we'll live the dream. He's super Vobus. He'll be Vobus Gold, and we'll have all the badges to go with him. So get on board. Thanks, Moods. Maybe one more, and then we'll look to do it all again at the next sale.
Best of luck.